फैसिलिटी लेआउट क्या है? फैसिलिटी लेआउट में फर्स्ट वी गोना डिस्कस द वर्ड लेआउट. लेआउट इज बेसिकली अरेंजिंग वेरियस थिंग्स इन अ प्लान्ड मैनर. जैसे कि एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में एक मैन्युफैक्चरर एंटरप्रेन्योर will be arranging its machinery, equipments as well as other industrial facilities like raw material, like dispatching of finishing goods. All these are categorized under the arrangement of facility layout. So that इसका basic facility layout का main objective क्या है? We can achieve quick production at least cost, as well as there shall be an hassle-free areas, so that production can be there with at least minimum cost, with the lowest possible cost can be there. Facility layout is basically arranging the physical facilities and the manpower which are required to manufacture a product or perform a service. फैसिलिटी लेआउट में हमने पहले डिस्कस किया है. लेआउट को हमने इस वर्ड को टू वेज में डिवाइड किया है. लेआउट मीन्स अरेंजिंग वेरियस थिंग्स इन अ प्लान्ड मैनर. देन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड द फैसिलिटी लेआउट लाइक द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर. जो भी हमारा एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर है विल बी अरेंजिंग मशीनरी, its equipments, its raw materials, its finished goods, its maintenance department, as well as work relating to the employees' welfare. All these factors are categorized under the facility layout. The basic motive of considering this facility layout is that there will be a quick production with at least possible cost, so that there shall be any hassle-free areas. There shall not be any of the production can be take place without any interruption with the lowest possible cost. So coming to its objectives of good facility layouts. After discussing the facility layout, we would be discussing that what can be the factors which lead to the objectives of facility layout. The first one is the handling and transportation areas. The handling and transportation areas are the first factors which are considered. It means that the material handling cost, that the facility related to the materials can be used in a cost effective manner. ठीक है, which means that the handling and transportation, जब हम अपने materials को we would be giving a proper transportation, proper handling measures shall be taken so that the materials can lead to a cost effective manner. These materials can be giving a good possible results in terms of will be giving a best benefits. The next is hazards to personals. जैसे कि हमने लेआउट का मीनिंग में डिफाइन किया है, जब हमारी सारी चीज़ें अकॉर्डिंग टू द थिंग्स आर प्लान्ड अकॉर्डिंगली इन अ प्लान्ड मैनर, देन देयर विल बी हैजर्ड फ्री सिचुएशन. There will be no hassle, there will be hassle-free situations, because every resources like plant, machinery, equipments, human resources are utilized according to the planned manner. That's why hazards to personnel is one of the objectives for designing a good facility layout. The next is production capacity. The production capacity must be the manpower. जो manpower involved है हमारी production capacity में, it must have a high morale. They should be motivated at every level of stage, so that they would be providing the goods with the better quality, as well as they would be availing facilities under a good planned layout. So these are the basic objectives of a